I love... There's a 7-Eleven in the mall. What is this? It's crazy. We're back at the place where dreams come true. Oh, wrong part. Stopping in Islands first to check out the Jurassic World construction.
There's a bunch of water.
Bunch of water, really?
Cranes, I think.
A couple cranes, a couple trucks. Look like a bunch of ants walking around.
There's some people in green stuff.
Fun fact, since they completely rebuilt Hulk, I've never been on it. So Jeremiah is gonna make me go on it. Super long wait. I'm gonna go do something else. Alright, Jeremiah's making me wait 5 hours to ride Hagrid, so hydrating on some $10 Yingling. That always does the trick, it seems. Some Jurassic World, Jurassic Park coaster in the backside. There's a lot of cranes. He thinks they're gonna start putting supports up soon, especially with that Mondo crane right there. And then these cranes are for up to probably 120 foot, something like that. I don't know how tall this thing is supposed to be, but probably big enough for it. That barge is like giving out, man. You see that?
They got a bench under the bridge.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
I wonder if anything's ever caught on fire from these things. So when I said that was a big crane, that was just to prepare you for these big cranes that are way bigger.
No, yeah, we're not getting out here.
It's impressive. Hey look, it's the better version of Fast and Furious.
It is. Very much is.
Look at the line for these absolutely useless people dryer things that don't even work. Holy cow.
That's incredible.
Alright, we're heading up me ship the Olive. My knees can't handle this anymore. See if we can see any Jurassic Park Raptor coaster. One thing's for sure, this coaster is going to be massive. And like just massive in a very small footprint. Very tall, very long, very fast. Fun fact, I'm not a fan of water rides or water parks, and this is why. Even though there's nobody on that one because it's the handicap one. This is why. Kids peeing on you, man. Nobody wants to get peed on whenever you're on a water ride.
I just don't like.
Quite good views up here though.
I'm not even paying for that either, bro. That's what you gotta do.
So we're at Universal now, and I'm like dying of like a heat stroke right now from just walking over here. It's February, Florida. It's February. And who said that theme parks aren't busy on Tuesdays? Holy cow. Dude, check it out. Lady Gaga's here. It's crazy.
Looks like they go.
Whoa, they got some big like rig thing set up over here hanging in the air. It's intense. Hashtags out. Secretly it's Jimmy Fallon in costume. Alright, I'm having HHN withdrawal, so I'm gonna go in the store. We're greeted by the skeleton person. It's so pretty.
Oh wow.
We got full-on production going on over here. All the tents on this side are now moved on this side. It's interesting. It's for animal in production today? No idea. Very cool. You get some behind the scenes of the magic, folks. That would explain why there's a big crane hanging up too. Thank God they didn't do this on a Saturday. Could you imagine how congested this would be?
You wouldn't go eat.
Alright. But here's all the food tents on this side. Wouldn't be animals without animals. Dogs. It's a bunch of dogs. I don't know what animal is, but that's what's happening back there. Behind Mr. Jester guy. So what's the over-under on how long it takes Universal to change this ride into something more thrilling and lovable? You guys see that in the distance, beyond the trees? You can hardly make it out. That's the Halloween Horror Nights 30 tent behind Men in Black. It's already up. Haunt season is here. Alright, we just battled Ancient Tombs. Now let's go save the world. Why is it every time I ride that ride at the end, I'm just waiting for Linkin Park's music to hit whenever Optimus is hanging, or Megatron's hanging over us? Make it happen, Universal. Make it happen. So we stopped and got some fresh beignets in the courtyard area. And they asked you if you would like any sauce, and I didn't really think to look at the menu too much. And I was like, yeah, sure, give me chocolate sauce. Well, for this tiny little thing of chocolate sauce, which is basically melted Hershey syrup, they charge you $1.19. It's kind of ridiculous, but oh well. So now you know. Here comes the most unanticipated stunt-tacular ever, in my opinion. The walls are down. Oh, it's open. This is open now. This is like... Holy cow.
All I can see are people doing selfies in front of these walls. Because of how
You understand that this is like, this just opened, right? Like we're the first people in here.
I mean, second.
This lady was first. This like just opened. I feel special. This is gonna be the new exit for this Bourne Stuntacular. Look, they even got shirts.
It even smells new. The ride must be open pretty soon then.
Holy cow.
Yeah, they okay.
How much is it?
$65.
65. What about this? 27. That's actually not bad. See, and for $1 more you can get shirts with sleeves. 27. I like the backpack. 40 bucks for the backpack. It's actually not that bad for the backpack because those are like 60 bucks at Target. How much are these? 25. Very nice. Mugs. 13. Nice, nice, nice. Blacklight reflective. 35. It's crazy. Still got a lot of Universal Monster stuff left in here they're trying to get rid of. Geraldine would probably like that shirt. I said that on video and now she'd be like, ew, no I wouldn't, it's ugly. It's my life. I like these. Can it just be Horror Nights already? So there you have it, folks. This is where you'll exit, just like whenever you were in Terminator, right into the brand new redone gift shop. It's very bright in here. And it's not because Jeremiah's in here. It's just bright. I said it's very bright in here, and it's not just because you're in here. I hope they keep these guys in here. It'd be cool.
I got Chucky doll back there too.
Really? Chucky lives. He lives. And just to have the proper nod to Terminator.
You think they sell those giant Terminator animatronics?
They should. Like when they clean up the theater. Like, I'll take one home for 20 bucks right now. Alright, so I decided to take Jeremiah to New Orleans tonight to watch the Mardi Gras parade. So let's see how this pans out. You excited?
Yeah.
Alright, we officially got our beads. We're good. finish it off, all blinged out. This is the reality of what we do. We're hauling butt to go ride Hagrid's before the park's closed. And we gotta leave the parade and get back over to Islands of Adventure. Bye, Gator. Alright, 90-minute wait. Let's see what this is like. I'm hoping it's not really a 90-minute wait, but it probably is. While you vlog your stuff, what'd you think?
That was awesome. Yeah.
Was it worth an hour wait?
An hour, yeah.
For the first time?
Yeah, for the first
I wouldn't wait an hour again for
I
it.
would wait an hour again.
It's pretty cool at night though, compared to daytime because the headlights are on. I dig it. Look at the sea of people. Unfortunately, all heading to the same place we are. The parking garage. This is heaven in a glass case. Look at that. Oh yeah. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we end the night. Ooey gooey goodness. And the Cinnamon too. That was a joke. Get it?